What do legal students or young interns do right, and what do they do wrong?
Well, I think that it's hard to get into these law firms, especially the smaller law firms, as an intern because the smaller firms don't have training programs, they don't have the capacity, they're all busy, and so it's probably going to be more the mid-sized firms to target. I
Okay.
think that the wrong way of targeting is to try and oversell yourself. So I do see people coming in like, oh, I interned last year, so all of a sudden now I've got, vast experience or something. And it's like, that's a huge turnoff because we don't, we're going to train you. We're going to tell you what we hope you need to know. And if somebody's coming in saying that they know it all, they're not even going to get an interview. So I think that there's some humility there, and it's hard because how do you sell yourself? How do you stand out from the crowd, from all the other law students? So I would not be pushing on, oh, I'm so smart and experienced. I would be looking at, well, these are my hobbies. This is my life story. This is my interest. This is what makes me special. And it has nothing to do with your GPA or what school you went to, but it's like, what is interesting about you? And then we could say, wow, okay, I'd really like to get to know this person. This is somebody I would like to work with. So I would come in on that angle. I would be coming in through LinkedIn. And again, looking, if you're not on LinkedIn, you need to be on LinkedIn, and you need to start making connections with lawyers before you even go to law school in that way that I talked before. These are connections that are going to serve you for the rest of your career. And so go on LinkedIn, look up the people's profiles that are lawyers in your area, and see that they're posting regularly, because some have a lot of just dormant accounts. But if they're posting regularly, you know that they're engaged. Comment on their stuff, make a connection with them, and then hit them up and say, hey, I'm thinking about starting law school. I have the summer break or whatever. Could I come in and do some work in your office? And they might say, sure. And that's a great way to make that connection, a great way to see what a lawyer does. So that's what I think would be done well.